Maintaining a garden like Euridge is complex and hard work. The gardens at Euridge are about 5 acres. We've got some quite unique features like a roof garden, a veg garden, and lots of roses and wisteria on the walls. There's a lot going on in the space. Hi, I'm Andy Wain. I'm the head gardener at Euridge Manor. I've been looking after the gardens here for about 13 years. So for me, one of the key things about topiary is to have fun with it. Creating wacky shapes is the main thing with topiary. Shapes take a long time to evolve, so you may start off with one shape in mind. The question is, can you guess what this one's going to be? Right, so as I said, the shapes are always evolving, but I think Bob the pheasant is already looking pretty good. My inspiration for the topiary comes from sort of the architectural features around, and one of those is obelisks. You'll see lots of obelisks around the gardens, so I created some cactus obelisks. When it comes to maintaining them, I use the HLA 86. It's got a nice long shaft. You can adjust the angle of the head so it's nice and easy to maneuver. Because it's a battery machine, it's nice and quiet, so we're not disturbing anybody while we're trimming. So now we've got the sides looking nice and sharp. This is where I can use the angled head to get the precise angle at the top, which is going to mirror the obelisks that we've got down in the pool. Okay, so that's the obelisks and the pheasants trimmed for another year. If you'd like to see more content, just let STIHL know in the comments. In the meantime, I'm off to trim some more topiary.